Hi guys. I know it's been about 2 years or so since I've done an update. I actually ended up dropping that HP build that my last video was about and ended up building this. It's a complete Frankenstein leftover hand-me-down computer. But it works and I definitely enjoyed building it. And it's my personal machine that I will probably keep and just upgrade. So I'll tell you a little bit about it. First thing we have is the this monstrous heatsink here that's preventing me from putting my side case on. That's a XigmaTech Gaia SD1283. Underneath that we have a AMD Phenom II X4 840. Stock, that CPU is only a 3.2 4-core, and I have that overclocked to 3.68 currently. Motherboard is a BIOSTAR TA785G3, hand-me-down, so can't complain about that. The RAM on the side there is the 2 gigabit sticks, Crucial Ballistix Tactical Tracer. That's the red-green edition. Fortunately, I am only running about 4 gigs. I would love to run more, but just can't really do that on this motherboard with only the 2, and I wasn't going to be able to afford the larger 4 gig sticks. The power supply is a Corsair CX600. GPU is a Nvidia GeForce 210. 1 gigabit of memory on that. Its stock runs at 590 megahertz. I have that overclocked to 790 megahertz. That is definitely the bottleneck of my system right now. That'll be the first thing I upgrade when I get a chance. I am running an SSD boot drive. That is a SanDisk Extreme 120 gig SATA 3 gigabit or SATA 3 6 gigabit per second. The motherboard only supports SATA 2 3 gigabit per second, unfortunately though. But it's backwards compatible, so it works. Storage drive is a Seagate Barracuda 1 terabyte, 7200 RPM. I think that's about it. Yeah, just a very quick update on what I built over the past, well, it took me a total of a year to get this totally built up from when I got the first component to the final build. But 2 or 3 years since my last update on when I said I was going to build and upgrade that HP machine. So yeah, life happens and things take longer than they should. So hey, what are you gonna do? So yeah, that's about it, I guess. I did salvage some of the parts off of that old HP machine. The wireless card, I got a case fan in the back, I got some peripherals up front that don't even work. I just threw them in here for looks. But the Wi-Fi and the fan do work. It's just the stuff up front that doesn't. I also snagged the CD drive out of that, or the DVD drive out of that as well. Guess that's it. So I'll try to get more videos up. I just got a GoPro, so I'll be hopefully uploading some videos of, I don't know, different stuff I do with the GoPro. So we'll be excited to see what I can do about that. Alright, take it easy.